Another day, another Maker Advent, and we've got a tool to play with, and it's called scrcpy, scrcpy. It's a piece of software that enables your Windows, Mac or Linux computer to talk to an Android phone over USB or Wi-Fi. And I've used this countless times now. I've used it for Maker Advent, the PieCast show, just as a way to add an extra camera. Just using some camera software on the phone, I can then pipe the video over USB to my computer and use it as a backup camera. I can also control Android phones directly from my computer. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. So I'm going to show you first of all what to do on your Android phone. You need to go into developer mode. So you're going into settings, and then you're going to click on about phone, and then press the version number at 7 times I think it is. It does differ between different phones on Android, so Google your make and model of phone to see how to get into developer mode for the best way. Once you're there, you go into settings and search for USB debug. You then enable it, plug in the USB cable, and then download this software, extract the files, and then double click on the scrcpy application, and it'll run a DOS prompt, and there is your phone. And it really is the phone. So if I click on open camera now, and if I press on the switch camera button there is me talking. Hello. Yeah, what a horror. I only had one coffee. And I can control every single aspect of this, so I can take a picture. There we are. It just works. Full control of Android phone. I can open apps. I can go on websites in the browser. I've also been reminded that I've not updated my blog in over a year now, which is bad. You can load pages. This is all on the phone. This is not on the computer. It's a really cool tool. So you're going to have your Android phone loud and proud on the screen here, so you can see when you get a call or a text message. No problem. You can answer text messages. I'm not going to show you that right now. So I've got messages in there. Any app you can use on the phone, you can use on here. You can do the weird swipes that you can do here to access apps. There's Notify. Great app, that. And it just all works. And it's free. There you go. This is my spare phone. This is one I use. It's actually an old broken phone where the speaker doesn't work and the mic doesn't work. How it broke I don't know, but it's a Xiaomi Mi A2 phone, and camera wise spot on, it's beautiful, so I use it for camera work. But yeah, there you go, scrcpy, give it a go, it's free, have a play, have fun. Alright, see you later.